The multimeter dial is a rotating circle in the center of your multimeter. Around the dial, you will see symbols for different multimeter measurements. To measure anything, you must rotate the dial so that it points at the symbol for what you want to measure. For example, you are using the multimeter to the right. You want to adjust the dial to measure resistance. The symbol for resistance is ohm. Rotate the dial on the multimeter until the black mark on the dial points directly at the ohm symbol. In order to use a multimeter, you need to understand what each symbol around the dial means. Without knowing the symbol, you cannot set the multimeter to measure what you want. Using the wrong symbol can damage the multimeter or result in electric shock.